Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple pattern for you. From back side our pattern will look like this. From front side it look like this. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 3 stitches and plus 2 for border, and this is a 4 rows repeat pattern. So let us start now. Our pattern starts from front side, slip first stitch and then knit all stitches. Complete the row with knit stitches. Here we have completed our first row. Now from back side, from wrong side, we will purl all stitches, slip edge stitch and then yarn in front and purl all stitches. This is our second row. Purl all stitches. We have to purl all stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row from front side. Slip first stitch and now our repeat pattern will begin. Knit third stitch from back loop and then first stitch from back loop. Now remaining second stitch from back loop and release all 3 stitches from left needle. Again third stitch from back loop, second repeat pattern. After third stitch, first stitch from back loop and now remaining center stitch, second stitch from back loop. Now release all stitches. This is our second repeat. Again third repeat, third stitch, first and then first stitch and second stitch. Release all stitches from left needle. We have to complete this row with knitting third stitch first from back loop and then first stitch from back loop and lastly second stitch from back loop. After completing third row, fourth row from wrong side, purl all stitches. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. Repeat 1 to 4 rows till you reach your desired length. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye friends. Thank you for watching my video, friends.